Kia ora, I'm Stacey Zuccati from Property Brokers. Welcome to 5 Penny Grove, Taupo. This is a superb little unassuming property that has everything you need. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double garaging and super sunny living, this property will be snapped up quickly. The showstopper, of course, is this kitchen. And at 176 square metres on 473 square metres of land, it is super low maintenance. I'm Stacey Zuccati from Property Brokers. Give me a call to view or come and visit one of my open homes.